Keeler BMW is proud to present this 2008 BMW Z4 with a manual transmission and only 8,619 miles. It has a titanium silver exterior, a black interior, and comes with some amazing features like fog lights, heated front seats, multifunction steering wheel, navigation system, rain sensor and automatic headlights, tire pressure monitor, premium package, and a sport package. The premium package consists of fully automatic soft top, auto-dimming mirrors, power front seats, storage package, onboard computer, automatic air conditioning, and BMW Assist with Bluetooth system, while the Sport package includes sport driving mode, sport suspension, and 18-inch wheels with performance tires. As with all of our vehicles, it's a Carfax certified vehicle. For more information, please call us at 866-209-6350. Keeler BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.